Hello, I'm Tim.
I'm Jeff.
And I'm Dan.
Today we'll be taking you through a dead-end network, and we'll be looking at how we calculated head available and head loss. We'll be making a comparison between hand-calculated values and results determined by simulating the scenario in the program Epanet.
So here's our scenario one, which is the dead-end network. This consists of a reservoir at node A, and then it branches off through to P, Q, T, and another branch through from Q, R into S. This network will just look at determining the pressure head available at node S with a discharge of 50 litres per second.
So this is the simulation here.
As you can see at this point, we'll just quickly go into our faults. Show that our system here has been set up with a typical length of 500 and our pipe roughness consistent with 0.001 throughout. Okay. Looking at our nodes elevations of 150, 90, 80, 80, 70 and 70. Similarly, this is our base demand with our discharge of 50 at node S. With the system set up, we'll run the system. It shows it's successful.
Took a few trial and errors, but the way we transferred the Epanet information across to Excel was going through to report, table, and selecting network nodes. On node ID, going to edit, copy to clipboard. Okay, so that's copied this data here, this whole table. We can go to Excel and copy and paste it in, paste. So Control V.
Scenario one from our Epanet results, hand calculations done by our infamous Tim. And these are our comparisons. Okay, so in comparing, we see that there's comparing the calculations from the Epanet versus the hand calculations. So there's a very minor difference between them. Except for our node S, which is one we're looking at doing our 50 litres per second discharge, which is at 4.77 metres, effectively giving us about a 7% difference overall. So in comparing the two systems, hand calculated and Epanet, they are relatively the same. Variations can be accounted for by maybe the roughness coefficient, and
This is a comparison between the head values that we calculated and Epanet has calculated. As you can see here in this column, our biggest difference is 4.77 meters of head. This might be due to the fact that we have used a different method of calculating the head. Epanet uses the Darcy-Weisbach equation, and we have used a Colebrook-White equation. Some other errors may just be human error or small rounding errors.
so if you were to summarise it, what were your main points?
My main points were the fact that we have used a different equation in calculating our head, actually our head loss. So that would probably be the main discussion points for the difference in our hand calculated value and the Epanet value. But apart from that, it was actually quite accurate across the board. 0.33, 0.66, just two values here. Our biggest value, our biggest difference was actually at node S, which is the one that we were looking for. 4.7 meters. It's quite large, but
Are we able to get a percentage on it?
yes, we can. 6.9%.
So that's 6.9% across the along that branch through that node. Oh, 6% at that node.
Yep. So basically, our largest difference is 6.9%.